type conversion and type casting. So when we assign the value of one data type to another, if the data types are compatible, then Java will perform the conversion automatically. So this process is known as automatic type conversion, right? If the conversion is not performed automatically, then they will need to be casted or converted explicitly. So if the two data types are compatible, and when we assign a value of a smaller data type to a bigger data type, automatic type conversion happens. So in our example, first we'll define the variable a with the double data type and no initial value. And then secondly, we can define the variable b with int data type and assign a value of 20. And then we assign a variable b to variable a. Because of the int data type is smaller than the double data type, this conversion is performed automatically, right? And this process is known as automatic type conversion. Say it with me. Good job. Now, if we want to assign a value of larger data type to a smaller data type, that's when we perform explicit type casting. So in our second example, contrary to the first example, we'll define a variable a with double data type, and then assign a value of 20. Second, we'll define variable b with int data type, but no initial value. And then when we try to assign variable a to variable b, unfortunately, this conversion could not be performed. And the compiler gives us an error. And you know why, right? Because the double data type is bigger than the int data type. So in these cases, you just have to explicitly specify the typecast operator. And that process is known as typecasting. So let's go ahead and open Eclipse and try to understand Java conversion and data type casting. In the exercise project, right-click on Data Type Package and select New Class. Specify the class name as Typecasting and select the checkbox for the main method. Now let's declare variable a with int type and assign 124 to it. Then declare variable b with long type and assign a. So in this process, there is no need for typecasting because the long type is larger than the int type. Now in the same way, declare variable d with double type and assign b. And here again, there's no need for typecasting because double type is larger than long type. So let's print the values of these variables by using our print method. Now, let's change the variable names and the other parts. Okay, so let's run the code. And you can see the results in the console. Now let's look at different situations that would need typecasting. So why don't we declare variable s with double type and assign 86.02. Then declare variable m with long type and assign s. Now, see, in this process, we got an error. Typecasting is required because long type is smaller than double type. Okay, good. So we choose Add Cast to Long as our option to add the casting operator with the long type, right? So let's declare variable c with byte type and assign m. And we get an error again. Typecasting required. Because byte type is smaller than long type. So let's go in and choose Add Cast to Byte as our option. Now we can print the values of these variables by using the print method. Now let's change the variable names and some other parts. Okay, let's run the code, and you can see the results in the console. Good job.